A warm welcome to the latest newsletter from Trade the Easy Way. Hello traders, Mike Hamilton from Trade the Easy Way here, and just looking at these charts just to gauge the strength of the dollar as we head into Wednesday, which is an important day because we get the first of the US job figures as we get towards Friday and we get the actual non-farm payroll number. And so I'm starting with the US dollar CAD. You can see on the weekly chart we've got this nice little channel up. On the daily chart I've drawn this bull flag. So there's the mast from mid-October to early November. And then in the early November to mid-November we peaked up here, and here we are just trying to hold this little bottom of the flag here, potentially taking us up to 134, 136 on the daily chart. And here you can see on the 3-hourly chart we are getting, we've got some resistance down here, up at these highs, but we seem to be basing down here. Let me just draw what I'm seeing. Seem to be sort of finding a bit of a head and shoulders base up here and building for a potential retracement back up to these highs. So if that's the US dollar CAD, what about signs elsewhere? Let's have a look at the Euro US dollar. And I've got a 3-hour chart here. I'm looking at 106.60 area. We failed. We dropped down here on the 17th November, retested it on the 22nd, retested it on yesterday, and now we're just slipping back underneath it again. I think if we come in contact with it again around this area, I think this will potentially roll over and get us a nice leg down to at least 105, 104. Pound, however, is bucking the trend. We're holding this trend line here. We've got resistance at 126, which we tested on the 11th. So we look as if we can go back up and test there, at which point that's going to be an interesting decision. Higher close last week on this weekly chart on the left, so keep an eye on that one. We've got oil, OPEC meeting tomorrow, 10 AM UK time, and a meeting throughout the day, so let's just see what that gives us. But we are looking as if, again, forming a base here. The question is, can we hold? So a nice little breakout here, and we're just dipping underneath it. So if we can hold this area here, we can at least go back to 48 and potentially 50. Otherwise, this is tumbling down and may not even hold 42. What do I think is going to happen? I'm bullish oil. Overall, I think into next year we're going to see $60–70 a barrel. But in the meantime, we are just hanging on OPEC, getting together and reaching an agreement. Okay, so I'm going to leave it there, and your feedback is very, very welcome as usual. Hope that helps, and I'll be in the room looking at the pound pairs tomorrow. Alright, please join me if you're a member. If you're not, let me know if you are interested in membership. Alright, thanks very much and bye for now.